Hi, I'm Rich from RF Landscape Contractors, and one of the things that our company does is hardscape work, which is patios, walkways, and retaining walls. And today I just wanted to show you some of the jobs we've done. Here's a job that we had done recently. You've got all Teco block products here with a fire pit, sitting walls. The fire pit's got an insert. You've got multiple levels here. And an important part of hardscape work is to integrate the drainage while you're constructing your patios and walkways. Here we have, if you notice, this gravel perimeter between the patio and the lawn that's next to the mulch here. That's actually the entire linear run is drainage. Underneath that we have perforated PVC surrounded by clean gravel with soil separator filter fabric and then the decorative stone on top. Everything was regraded here. If you're interested in an estimate, just send us an email or give us a call, and we'll look forward to talking with you soon.